Hi everyone! It doesn't get any easier than this. If you're a southern gardener in a mild winter climate, do this now. Let's jump in. We're talking peas. They're a quick, easy crop to plant. You can get a harvest in about 6 to 8 weeks. And you southern gardeners, the easiest way you can plant them is to get your timing right. Now in the wintertime when it's under 75 degrees in most southern gardens, perfect time to plant them. They germinate best when the soil temperatures are between 45 and 60 degrees. So I'm just popping them in here at the base of my trellis, about a ½ inch deep, cover them up with soil, and they'll be germinating in no time. Now for you northern gardeners who might be having hard frosts and freezes right now, you can follow the same procedure early in the spring. Another easy tip for planting peas is plant them at the base of an existing trellis. As you're pulling out some of your summer crops, just leave your trellises up. Here I'm planting it on my ladder mesh trellis, which is a very, very inexpensive trellis. And they will start to climb up and over the top. And I'm also going to plant some here at the other side. You can space your peas about 2 to 3 inches apart. I always plant extra because the birds come and pull out the little seedlings as they germinate. You can see here I'm just pushing the mulch aside. Now peas are what's called a nitrogen fixing crop. They actually have a specialized root bacteria called rhizobia, which converts nitrogen from the air into a form that plants can use. So I'm not even adding any extra soil amendments here to my raised bed, which is another reason why they're such a super easy crop to plant. And they'll be germinating in no time. These are royal snow peas, a purple pea with flat edible pods. You can also start seeds indoors and put transplants out in your garden when you have the space. Next, I'm adding a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch. I'm using shredded leaves here, and the reason why you do this is you want to conserve the moisture and keep the roots warmer in the wintertime. Next is watering. Avoid overwatering, especially early on, because too much water when peas are first planted can cause rot and prevent germination. As they grow, only water when your plants need it, and you do this by checking the soil moisture. Just stick your finger into the soil about 2 inches deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it feels moist, hold off on the watering. Don't let the soil completely dry out. If it does, this can drastically reduce pea production. So the most critical time is when the peas are flowering and fruiting. Make sure you keep your soil evenly moist during this time. There's 3 different types of pea seeds you can plant. Shelling peas, which are inedible pods, but edible peas inside the pod. Snow peas, which are flat edible pods, and sugar snap peas, my favorite, sweet edible pods and a great garden snack. All 3 types of seeds are in my pea seed collection. Visit our website for our Black Friday sale, up to 60% off all of our seed collections. Peas are a vining vegetable and they're going to need some trellis support. So here I just planted them on my ladder mesh trellis. And this is so easy to make and so inexpensive. You can buy it at Home Depot in the masonry section. I have 2 pieces of ladder mesh actually hooked together with cable ties and then arched over my little shorty raised bed so the peas can climb up and over to the other side. Now another one of my super easy favorite trellises is this bamboo trellis. It's just 3 bamboo poles stuck in my smart pot here and tied together at the top with twine. I made a free bamboo trellis quick start guide. It's downloadable. The link to download it is in the video description. Protect your peas. The biggest problem growing peas is that the birds and the squirrels pick them out as soon as they germinate. So protect them by covering them with tulle. It's a netting fabric that's see-through, so it allows the sun to get through but keeps the critters out. It's very inexpensive. You can buy it at most fabric stores. Cut a length larger than your garden bed or your container and clip it to the sides. It doesn't get any easier than this. So grab your pea seeds, don't forget your free download, and get your pea seeds planted this week. Why wouldn't you do this? Thanks for watching. See you next time in the garden.